This is a glute kickback. It's really going to accentuate your glutes and give you that nice full round look that you're looking for in the back. So what you're gonna do is grab a dumbbell, you're gonna put it in the back of your knee, just like that, and you're going to squeeze. We're gonna go into a tabletop. Keep your core tight. You might need to balance this a little in back. It may kind of flip back and forth. That's okay, you'll adjust. Then what you're going to do is squeeze the back with your knee and then squeeze it up to a 90 degree. Now you can use your heel and then bring it down, touch your knee to the floor, and squeeze back up. And just make sure you get that nice contraction in the back and release. So bring it up, squeeze the glutes, and bring it down. Just slow and controlled. Obviously the heavier weight you put, dumbbell you put back there, you wanna make sure you go really slow and controlled. Or you can use ankle weights, any of that, or resistant band. But there you go, that was the glute kickback.